Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong, hakakan reu tereng mentau naitung arjakat kendai, ringkat ke jintrelang bat ka World Health Organization, ka Northeast Network, ka Population Foundation of India bat ka Sewa. Kila pelong ye ka jingat her sani bha halor ka kot ka khia jong ki pajba jong ki chela ka ni ka than chate lamingi jong ka re India ya ka bala pelong ha Shillong Club Shillong ha ka ni ka jingat her u president ka PHFI u K Srinath Reddy kumjo bat ka team leader ka bami khmat ye ka World Health Organization ka Dr. Hildy Grief kila batai bat mach phang halor ka jington kam jong ka jingko jingkhia ha ki yeng ki sam jong ki nong snong bat kila ongru ba haka jingko jingkia kamdan satya kanu jinga pher watla kidai ki baruspa ne ki badong.
We did have a committee appointed by the previous planning commission, which I happened to chair notionally, but essentially we had wonderful people serving on that committee, including Mirai Behan. We did come up with a report at that time which made several recommendations that public financing must increase to at least 2.5% of the GDP and soon to 3% and more. Those are minimums, that 70% of that must be spent for primary health care, that we must actually expand our health workforce to strengthen the health system in terms of its capacity to deliver essential services, but also to create much needed employment, especially for young persons and women, because particularly as primary health care, allied health professionals will be required in large numbers. We also said that essential drugs and diagnostics must be provided free of cost in primary care facilities. We also said community empowerment must be there with a lot of community monitoring and participation. We quoted the examples of Thailand, where a national health assembly is held every year and the community perspectives are gathered to find out how the health sector is performing in terms of its policies and programs. We also quoted the example of Brazil, where there are municipal councils available and then they decide on a monthly review as to how the health programs are functioning. We said we need to create those kind of structures in this country. So some of these recommendations did find place initially in the 12th five-year plan and then in the National Health Policy of 2017. But we cannot function, as I said, in bits and pieces. We need to create universal health coverage as a cohesive strategy for implementation. And again, taking up the theme of this consultation, it is not experts talking about how universal health coverage should be designed and delivered. Of course, there are some technical areas to be dealt with. It is for society as a whole to project a unified vision of why health is so essential to each individual, to each family, and collectively to the whole of society for development. Why it is not only an economic necessity but also a human right that must be respected. And why health must be actually promoted, protected, preserved, and restored when unwell through a program of universal health coverage which brings in a strong health system into delivery, but also addresses the social determinants of health so that health can be protected in all dimensions.